You are the host now.
Okay, we have started recording now. Ashi, can you please share your feedback once more, beta, because it's getting recorded now and it will mean a lot to Harinder auntie.
Okay, the thing I like about the newspaper is the what if challenges, the rumble jumble, and the funny bunnies. They are one of the top three of my favorites. And the thing you add. I don't think there's something like that. You have everything.
Oh, nice.
And the last thing is that what you must never stop is the fun activities corner. They are really fun and they boost our brains and they give us more ideas and our imagination expands and it's really fun and you must never stop the funny bunnies.
Ah, it will mean a lot to Akash. Sayansh, can you also please go once again? We didn't record you then.
Okay. So what I really like about the newspaper is that it gives all the information in a fun manner along with fun quizzes and challenges and all other comics and stuff. And what I really want to be added is nothing really because the newspaper is quite good and never stop adding the fun activities and all the good stuff.
Wonderful. Who wants to go next? Yashasvi, yes, tell us.
Okay, so the thing I love about the TCP is the unique news that is published and the different stories that come, and the fact that there are many kinds of challenges, and that there are so many children's artwork and poems and stories and various things, and then the children's riddles and the jokes, and whenever I see my name I am really happy. And the thing I want you all to add, I can't decide that, and I really don't know what the TCP can add in the newspaper. And the thing I want them to never stop is their challenges and the editorial part.
You like the challenges and the Acha, you like the editorials also.
Yes.
Which editorials do you like, beta?
The editorials in which we have the Viva Vijeta's answers, and for example if it's an important day, so information comes, like it's army day, so information comes on army day, so I like those kinds of editorials also. And I also like the editorials will give a lot of GK information, and the editorials which contain stories.
Oh, you like stories. Okay, I'm gonna change the view to gallery view. Raise a hand whoever likes stories. Raise your hand. Ah, lovely. So everybody likes stories. Okay, okay. Shruti auntie is not here, but I'm sure she'll be very happy to see this.
I'm
Awesome.
here.
Oh, you are here. Hi.
Yes.
So Shruti, see, your story idea is loved by everybody.
Yes. So please do send in more stories, kiddos.
Okay. And Yashasvi, anything else you want to say, beta?
No, thank you.
Okay. Who wants to go next?
I can't point anything. I love all the things in newspaper. I especially word search.
Purna, do you want to turn on your video for a minute so that we can see you better? So good to see you. Okay. And what should we never take out of the newspaper? Okay, you can think and tell us later. Who wants to go next?
Anything should be not taken.
Nothing should be taken out. Okay. Daksh, you can go next, beta.
I really like the newspaper and everything that is in it.
the facts and what all are happening in India. Then the word searches, meme corner, jokes. I really like that. And one thing that you should never take out from the newspaper are the facts and the meme corner. I really like the meme corner.
Sorry, facts and the
Meme corner.
which corner, beta? Sorry.
Meme corner.
Memes. Ah, you like memes. Amey, who makes a lot of
Yeah.
those memes, is also here. So he liked this. Okay, wonderful. Who wants to go next?
Yes, I'm Atharva. So, I, truly speaking, like the bizarre news which comes once in a week, and I would be glad if it could come a bit more frequently. So, I also like the Katha corner, poetry corner, and the comics which come. And there is not anything particularly I would like to see in TCP.
And what should we never take out? What is very, very necessary for TCP?
The necessary things are like activities and challenges which just like improve the vacation.
Aha, wonderful. Okay. Okay, who wants to go next? Girik?
Yes. So I like the others were saying that nothing should be taken out from the from the newspaper. Everything is quite well organized and quite well made. Some things that I like from the newspaper are the sports part which comes in the newspaper most of the times, and plus the geographical part. So sometimes the countries, and it talks about some countries, states, or some particular places, some particular buildings. I really like those types of articles and blogs. And like few things that you should never take out are like the sports part, and um the sports part and the geographical part. I mean, they are quite fun to read and quite informational as well.
Nice, nice. Why do you like, and Girik, tell us something about you. Where are you from and which city?
I am from Gurgaon, and I am 12 years old, and I study in DPS International. I relocated from Dubai in 2016. Um, yeah,
And how
I
long have you been reading the paper, beta?
I think it's been 2 years now. Since
How did you hear
2018.
about us?
I think from my chess academy, there was one a person in the academy who also used to read it. I'm not sure if I see him. I don't remember the name, but his mother told my mother about it, and I my mother enrolled me, and I really like reading all the newspapers. I read it every day after school. I mean, it's really fun to read it. Very informational as well.
Wonderful. Thank you. Khushbu, you go next. And turn on your video, beta, so we can see you. Khushbu, you there?
Yes, I like most part which I like in the TCP is art corner, what if challenge, and all the challenges. For example, Veerwar, Vijeta, and others. And I don't want anything to add in this newspaper. Everything is in this newspaper, and the thing which I never want, which should be there always, it is art corner and poems of and student work like poems and other things.
Very nice. Where are you from, Khushbu? Which city?
I'm from Unna in Himachal Pradesh, and my school name is JNV Pekhubela. It is also in Unna.
Ah, very nice. We get a lot of art from your school.
Yes, ma'am.
You like painting yourself?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, wonderful. Wonderful. Prakriti, you go next. All YJP journalists, please wait. We'll come to you last, okay? Prakriti? Are you here, beta? Okay. Okay, who wants to go next? I don't see any other raised hand except Anirudh, who's from the YGP program. Sneha? Are you there?
The thing I like most in the newspaper is Shape, Sudoku, and Art Corner. The things that should never be taken out from the newspaper is the geographical part and about particular places. I like that the most. And the newspaper is well organized and nothing to add on it.
Sneha, your audio was very faint. So what we heard was that you like the news part. Do you want to type it in the chat, Peter? Okay. Okay, Archit, please go next.
Yes, I like the whole newspaper, and the thing that should never be removed is the geographical part and the memes section.
Oh, very nice. Archit, turn on your video, beta, so we can see you. Hi, Archit. And that's a very nice aluminium foil painting behind you. Okay, Tanvi.
Thank you, ma'am.
One,
Yes, we can hear you. Please tell us.
the most I like is what if challenges. And
Okay.
I have once also given one of my poems for one of the what if challenges. I really love them. And the thing should not be taken out of TCP are the memes. I love memes. I always read memes. Memes
Ah,
in the picture.
ah. And what kind of memes do you like?
Every kind of memes.
Oh, very nice. Very nice. Okay. Okay. Archit, are you back? Your hand is raised.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do you want to tell us?
No, ma'am, by mistake.
Okay. Sneha, hi.
Yes, ma'am.
Sneha, do you want to type beta in the chat? We couldn't hear you too clearly.
She has sent a message in chat.
Oh, मेरे को दिख नहीं रहा है. Okay. Okay, ठीक है. So let's have, who wants to go next, please? Okay. Ame, tell us. Ame, आवाज नहीं आ रही है.
Ma'am, now you can hear.
Now we can hear. Please tell us.
I like the Monday's editions that odd one out than the others. Means the Monday Masterminds and the Viva Vijeta challenges the most. And I think they shouldn't be this. They shouldn't just get out of that news. I mean, TCP and only this much I would like to say.
Nice, nice. Okay, Shreya, I think you wanted your younger brother to share. Will you please turn on the video and have him here?
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Hello, everyone. I am Aradhya Agarwal. I am 8 years old. I just started reading the newspaper. And I love Priyanka Auntie's edition, and I love doing the fun activities. But my favorite is the flameless cooking corner.
Ah, Deepti auntie will like to hear that. Have you Rumble Jumble also? Very good. Okay. Okay, Prakriti, if you're back, your hand is still raised, beta. Huh. Okay. Beta, you can speak now.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm Prakriti Shah from class 7. I like the geography part most.
Bete, we can't hear you also too well. Type in the chat, please. I'll repeat it for everybody, or Jalpa auntie will repeat it for everybody. Okay. Okay. Okay, Anirudh.
Ma'am, I like everything in the children's post, but if you say that which one is the best, I will say that science and history is the best. You should never remove them because they give a lot of information which you would otherwise not get.
Nice.
Science and history are the best.
Very nice. Thank you. Okay. Arya Sinha.
Ma'am, my favorite part is the Y series and the makeup close-up.
The which series, beta?
From the Y
series?
series. Yes, ma'am.
Wonderful. Okay, both those aunties will be very happy to hear this. Okay. Guys who raised your hands, if you have spoken, please lower your hands so we can see who else is there who wants to speak. And we should also call upon some of our quieter readers. Manpreet, if your if your audio is working, do you want to tell us yourself? I saw your message in the chat. Okay. Anvi. Okay, Manpreet says her mic is not working. There's someone here called Anvi Agrahari.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. Please tell us.
Ma'am, I like TCP, but my most favorite part is the geographical part, and I think that it should not be removed from TCP.
Wonderful. And why do you like it so much? Where are you from, Anvi? Which city?
Ma'am, I currently live in Nagpur and I am from UP.
Okay, wonderful. So why do you like the geography series so much, Peter? Is it the content? Is it the way it is presented? Is it what is it about you that you really like?
Ma'am, I like geography a little bit, and the way it is presented, it's very good.
Okay, wonderful. Okay. Shreya, there's someone here called Shreya Kachru. Okay. Okay, Shuchi.
Yes, ma'am. I like the biomimicry series and the Y series mainly because they have things about animals which I'm very interested in, and I also like the news about space and science because I want to become a scientist one day.
Okay, wonderful. All right. Who else is here who has not spoken? And then Rani ji. We can't hear you. You're on mute.
Now you can hear me?
Yes, now we can hear you. Please tell us.
It's a wonderful thing to meet you all. Hi, Nidhi. How are you?
Hi.
And ma'am, all ma'ams, all other ma'ams, how are you all?
Yes, everyone's fine.
We wait for your
Thank
post.
you.
Sorry?
I said we wait for your posts on Facebook.
No. No. Actually, TCCP is really wonderful. Like, hardly can miss the journals.
Okay. What should we always keep in the paper? Sorry? What is it that we should always keep in the paper?
You should always keep the current affairs that you are keeping and all the special news that are coming up. On that day, space news had come from Purnima, I think. Once the space news, that is very fantastic.
Okay, wonderful.
And story writing also, and life event story writing, and all the rest, that puzzle, and you all have that, no? That riddles and everything.
Wonderful, wonderful. Okay, thank you, ma'am. Shreya Kachru?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, tell us. Where are you from, beta?
I'm from UP, Ghaziabad.
Wonderful. Okay, good. Tell us, which class are you?
I'm from 6th class.
Okay.
I like the poetry corner very much, and I'm very happy when my poems come to that corner. I hope that corner that never be removed from that.
Very nice, beta. Very nice. Prakriti, yes, you can speak now.
Ma'am, my most favorite part is the geography part.
Okay, but what is so good about the geography part that so many of you like it? Tell us.
Ma'am, because there are so many facts in it about all related about space and.
Okay, okay. Pritinkar, yes, you're next.
I like the what if challenge and the make the closer very much, and I would suggest to make the make the makeup close-up more harder, because it is very easy. Like if you didn't give hint also, then also I can identify that yes, this is a remote or something. So you should make it more harder, and means you have everything in the newspaper and you don't need anything to add.
Wonderful. And what should we never remove?
What if challenge? What if challenge?
Yes, what if challenge.
Harinder auntie will be so happy to hear this. Okay. Daksh has said that his brother would like to give feedback. Yes, Daksh, please go on.
Ma'am, I really like all the puzzles and the challenges. They are very challenging and interesting.
Very nice.
They are
Which class
difficult
are you in,
also.
beta?
Second. Now I'm going in third.
And you do those puzzles and all in second class?
Yeah.
Very
They're
nice.
interesting and challenging.
Very nice. Very, very happy to hear this. Good. Thank you, beta. Rishika? Rishika?
Yes,
Okay. Which city are you from, beta?
I'm from Prayagraj.
Oh, wonderful. Okay. And which grade?
I was in 6th. I'll be going to 7th.
Okay. Tell us about the paper, beta.
I love the first page because I love the most that when in few papers we know about current affairs, and also I love the history parts. I love the history. Some newspapers, the histories are written of some things. I love that.
Okay.
And
please tell us.
And I also love the challenges and the weekly challenges.
Out of the weekly challenges, which one do you like best?
I love every challenge.
Okay. Good. All right. Shivani, you're here. Do you want to share your feedback, beta? All right. We have someone here, Harshman. Hi, you're on mute, beta. We can tell us now.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
I'm his mom, and he's just entered in first standard. But last 1 week only, we started to read out this newspaper, and we joined this class.
Oh, wonderful! How do you like the paper?
Ma'am, it's very nice and it's so interesting, so that we can learn about how to tell us our children and how he can grow. That means how he can learn new more things. And he liked it. He just listen it because he can't read out now. So that's the reason he just listen out. But he liked the art and craft. We received just paintings and all that. Na he loved it that. Art and craft as well.
Very nice.
So
Very
just 1 week ago only we started to read out this newspaper, but we love it.
How did you hear about this newspaper?
Ma'am, I'm receiving this. I received this all the newspaper from my husband only. He's sending me. I don't know from where he is getting. I'm reading out this newspaper on a WhatsApp only.
Wonderful. Is there any other reader who has not shared? Krishu, you're here, but you've not shared your feedback. Please tell us.
Ma'am, hello.
Hello, Krishu.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Ma'am, from the newspaper, the thing I love the most is makeup close-up challenge and Veer Vijeta challenge.
Okay, nice. And what do you like about these challenges?
Ma'am, in Veer Vijeta challenge, we have to solve Sanskrit verb. We have to find out Sanskrit word.
So you like Sanskrit words?
No, ma'am. I just guess them.
You get okay. Okay, nice. Good to hear that. Who else is here who's not shared feedback yet? Okay, now the YJP students can talk. Girik, you said you want to add something to your feedback. Please tell us.
Mama, yes, I just want to add something that you should never remove. I just remembered that the languages of the world and languages of some particular countries are absolutely very interesting, and I would say that never remove that part. It's very informative and very interesting.
Wonderful, thank you. Yashasvi, you also raised your hand. You want to say something?
Yes. Yes, I have one request. So can the TCP start a French feature in which basic French will be taught? As in class 6, I started French and I really love French, and I would love to contribute and share what I have been learning.
Can you do it once a week?
Yes, once a week.
Okay, wonderful. We will get in touch with you, beta, and we will start your French feature by you.
Okay, thank you so much.
All right, and we'll need to speak to your parents before that happens.
Okay, thank you so much.
Wonderful. Prakriti, you've raised your hand. You want to say something, beta?
No, ma'am.
Okay, all right. Girik, I'm guessing you've also said what you wanted to share, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now the YJPs. Any young journalists here who have not yet spoken? I see Gurpreet Kaur is here. Ananya Singh is here. Over to you guys. Ananya, let's start with you.
I really love the TCP newspaper as a whole, especially the fact that the news is actually age-friendly and topic-friendly.
Wonderful. Okay, and what should we never remove from the paper?
I don't think you should ever remove the editorials.
And which editorial do you like, Ananya?
I basically love all of them, but one I really find really special is the one written by Priyanka auntie, because it's always as though you can relate to it implicitly.
Very nice. Very happy to hear this. And I'm sure Priyanka auntie also will love hearing this. Okay, who's next? Gurpreet?
Yeah. So I really love TCP. And one thing that you should never remove is the Y series, because I think the way topics are simplified and explained is amazing.
Very nice.
And the
Okay,
paper
so
as a whole should also, always be there. I mean, every part of it is very important.
nice. Okay. Okay. So I have to share something with the rest of our readers. You remember that we did the Young Journalist program in January? So these 15 children who are selected for the Young Journalist, some of them are here. So the feedback you're giving will be used to them to create features for you, and they are children of your own age. With that, I hand it back to Jalpa. Jalpa ma'am, thank you.
Thanks, Nidhi. So taking it forward, we have Sunil Behraji with us. He writes the Wednesday column of related to astronomy. And Sunilji, if you can please switch on your video and talk to our readers.
Hello, am I audible?
No, your voice is a bit low.
Now?
Yes, it's better.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
My name is Sunil, and I write for Wednesday newspaper about astronomy in space. And I like to hear the feedback about how you like my articles on astronomy and space.
So I will go first, Nidhi Arora. I love your articles. I wait for them every Wednesday. And even though I've never been interested in stars, after your articles have started, I've started looking at the sky very differently. And I really like the way you present very clear pictures. Like if you talk about a constellation, the picture of that constellation will be there. So it is it becomes very easy to relate and understand. And even my son has started getting an interest because of you.
Would like to go next?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, please.
So your articles are very informative, and I would really like some more articles on astrophotography.
Thank you. And what others you want to? What other type of astronomy things you want to read? You can tell me, so I can put it in my article.
That's actually difficult to tell because you've covered almost everything.
Sunilji, are you from Odisha?
Yes, I'm from Odisha.
From? You are from?
Odisha, Barampur.
Odisha, no?
Yes, ma'am. From
Yes,
Barampur.
I'm also from Odisha.
Nice, ma'am.
Odisha re kouthu?
Barampur.
Barampur, Bhubaneswar. Acha. You
Barampur.
sent those constellation images, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, that's very
Took it
nice.
from my
Very
cell phone only.
I can see the telescope behind you.
Yes, ma'am. My telescope.
Yeah,
Which I take some stars and photos.
Yeah. Very nice. That was very nice. Keep on sending the images. It's really interesting to see.
So you take those pictures yourself, which you share in the article?
Yes, ma'am.
How do you take
most
them?
of them. Through my phone, ma'am.
No,
My
you zoom those constellation, or what is the how come so clear and so?
I use long exposure photography. It took to take one photo. It took 9 minutes for one single photo.
My goodness. Wow.
And
Wow.
sometimes it took 1 minute, 2 minutes
Amazing,
for
amazing.
single photo.
I have a suggestion here. I think sir could like give like once a week or something. Sir could like teach us how to take these photos.
Yes,
One more thing I really
sure.
like about your
I have
article,
once
sir,
I
is that
written it.
so what I really like about your article is that you don't only tell us like this astronomical event is happening, this is happening. You tell us along with that how can you see it? Like this is the best time to see it. This is the direction you should see it in, and these are the things we might require. That's what I really like.
Actually, mostly I cover only stargazing. What constellation, what some events, special event, rare events can occur a particular period of a time. So I focus only that only. And sometimes I use some articles, shows the history, how it began, something like that.
So how did you get interested in this?
It's a long story, ma'am. About when I was standard 4 in 2000, standard 2, I think 2004, I saw a news on 2 rovers that landed on Mars, Spirit and Opportunity. From that time to I start thinking about how they are sending that rover from one planet to another. And I went to my garden and tried to locate that small dot, that red colored dot. I found it like it's a Mars. From that day onward, I start reading about journals about astronomy. From that time, it's very difficult to get journal on astronomy or astrophysics something because the internet is not not so good at that time.
You got some training from anywhere or just self-training?
Just actually, I studied at MSc in physics. So most of the processes about astrophysics I learned from there.
Sir, tell us about your first telescope. I'm sure you would have waited a long time to get your first telescope.
Yes. Actually, I bought this telescope on my first salary.
Mm-hmm.
I work in a office, forensic laboratory as an assistant scientific officer. I got my first salary, so I bought this telescope.
Wonderful.
Very good.
Okay, so I have one last question, and the readers can also come. Did you choose physics because of your love for astronomy?
Yes, ma'am.
Really? You chose physics and your
Yes,
whole
ma'am.
career because of your love for astronomy?
Yes.
That is so inspirational.
Actually, I got a chance in JEE Advanced and JEE Main, but I didn't go for engineering because I love this field.
That is lovely.
Every day my friends are scolding me, why didn't you get admission in engineering college? I said, no, this is not my thing. I love astrophysics, astronomy. I will go in that line only.
Okay.
That's nice. Anyone has any more questions for him? Sunilji, would you like to share something from your on your part?
Actually, I have a book and I request all the students to read this book.
You have written it by yourself?
No. It's written by American astronomer called Carl Sagan. Name. He was
Carl
one of the
Sagan.
best. Carl Sagan. He was one of the best astronomer.
One serial
So-
was coming, no? The Cosmos.
Yes.
Yeah.
Cosmos.
Cosmos.
So every young student or children must watch this series because it is one of the best series.
Yes. Very good.
This is the same book of this. It's 13 episode series. One of the best book this is, and I always read this every time.
Sir,
So,
where
film-
do we find that series, sir?
In YouTube, you can watch this in YouTube. just type Carl Sagan Cosmos. You can get the videos.
I think he passed away, if I'm not wrong.
Sorry.
Sunil, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
I think he passed away, if I'm not wrong, a few years back. He's alive.
In 1995, ma'am.
Yeah, yeah.
Around 1995, 7.
Yeah.
Actually, he's a science popularizer. He and then
I've seen his serial Cosmos on TV. Really.
Okay. So, we have a new participant here, Snigdha Mishra. Can you please introduce yourself? I think she's left. Sorry. Sunilji, would you like to share anything else? Something more?
can you repeat again? It's not audible.
Sorry. Would you like to share something, some experience or anything best, what you have observed in this, or the best time to observe the sky? Obviously, you are writing all those things, but a memorable moment for you.
For the first time, I saw Milky Way galaxy R in 2007, in August evening. It was the first time I saw. It was very beautiful. It's like a band of light. I saw it once that year, and again I have to wait another 1 year to see it again. At that time, I didn't know that we can see that in the cities also, because these are very faint lights. And I don't know that even in the cities we can see that Milky Way galaxy R. So it's a very good thing to see it in the cities. After 2018-19, I start to track where they will rise, where they will set, and then I took more pictures of it. And in this month we can see this Milky Way galaxy R in the early morning, 2 hours before sunrise. So we can see that in the south direction, south horizon. In the month of August, we can see it in the evening also.
Okay. Thank you.
Morning, we can also see Jupiter and Saturn in the southern horizon.
Right.
And Saturn is the most beautiful planet. The rings is the jewel. You can call it as a jewel. It's very beautiful.
Yes, of course. Okay. Thank you, Sunilji, for inspiring all our readers.
Actually, I have a question for Mr. Sunil.
Yes, please go ahead, Sadhna.
Once I had seen a photograph of Milky Way. No, it was very faint, and then the same person put up a picture after some processing, and it looked very beautiful. What kind of processing goes on into because I don't think we can just get a picture which they publish directly from the mobile phone or any camera. What kind of processing do they do to see that this is the Milky Way or any galaxy?
Actually, the photos I took, they are of raw format. The raw format means it is the unaltered photo. Right. The photo we are taking from direct phones, they are in JPG format,
right.
Which is very low quality. It's already processed. In the raw format, the one photo, single photo's size is about 48 MB or more. So, and that we process that photo through Lightroom, Adobe Lightroom.
Okay.
Processing, we get the right amount of light, darkness, so we can see that photos.
because I had seen the original photograph, which was very faint, and then he put up a processed one, which looked really wonderful. No, in the first one, we couldn't even see the Milky Way. So I was wondering, so you use Adobe
Lightroom.
Lightroom, okay. Thank you so much.
Any other questions?
Sir?
Yes, Amir.
Sir, which was the very first thing which you saw through this telescope? Was it that Milky Way, as you said?
Can you repeat the question?
Sir, which was the very first thing which you saw on this telescope?
First thing.
Yes.
Yes.
The
The
first
lens.
thing I through my telescope is the Saturn, Jupiter and Saturn. Actually, we don't need don't need telescope to see Milky Way.
Sir.
Actually,
Sir, I had a question that how do we measure the distance between two planets?
there are different techniques. So one is that its rotation and speed, how much it takes to move from one point of the sky to the another. From that we can calculate the distance between each planet. And also,
But Earth is not steady. Like it is also not
yes,
steady.
yes.
Earth.
Actually,
So Earth
there
is
is
also revolve. The Earth is
actually
also taking.
yes. Actually, there is a law given by Kepler, Johannes Kepler, who first studied the planetary motion, and he come up with three laws, three planetary laws. From that we can calculate the exact position of the planet and its distance. Before Kepler, everyone thought that all the orbits are circular, but Johannes Kepler, he told that these are not circular, but these are elliptical. He come up with three laws from where we can measure the speed, distance of planets.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Sir, ma'am's question made me wonder that we are inside the Milky Way, so how can we take picture of Milky Way, because we can't go outside the Milky Way and snap pictures. So we are inside the Milky Way, then how will we snap picture of Milky Way?
Actually, Milky Way is a spiral disk, and we are at the one. Actually, have you ever seen a whirlpool? Spiral whirlpool. And there are many arcs or arms of Milky Ways, and we are at the one arm of a Milky Way. And when we see that one arc of a Milky Way, it is the Sagittarius arc. It is in the Sagittarius constellation. When you see a bright spot in the Milky Way galaxy arc, that is its center. Actually, we cannot take the whole picture of Milky Way from Earth. Actually, nobody can till date. No one has taken the full picture of Milky Way. All the photos you are seeing, that full picture of Milky Way, are man-made or computerized. The artists have made that through by taking the data from astronomers. They have calculated what are the position where so each stars will have. They are doing that computer simulation and making that photograph. And the best and the most.
A record of your images. You keep a record of your images that you take in the telescope of the stars and galaxies. And
yes, I have one hard drive where I keep all my photos or images.
I have a question.
Yes.
Yeah, so as I've studied, Copernicus and Galileo were the first people to support the fact that the Earth revolved around the sun and it was not of the solar system. So what facts have you already learned about what factors could they really learn about, and could they really think that the Earth was not the did not all the other planets did not revolve around the Earth and the Earth revolved around the sun? What are the factors?
Actually, in early years, the people used to think that Earth is at center and everything, sun, moon, and other planets revolve around it. So they're thinking that Earth is the center of the universe. But Copernicus, who came first with that Earth is not at the center, perhaps the sun is at the center. He observed some things that which are, for example, the motion of planets. If you see the motion of planets, they are not as a circular motion. They move in retrograde motion. Retrograde motion means just wandering here and there. So if you think that Earth is at the center, that how it is possible that the planets move in different path, not in a circular path. So he came up with the idea that
so at that particular time when Copernicus lived, the telescope came much after he died. How did he really view out the planets?
No, actually the five inner planets, the three inner planets and Jupiter and Mars, Jupiter and Saturn can be seen through naked eye. So we don't need to telescope to see that. But when Galileo turned his telescope toward the Jupiter, he saw that there are small moons or satellites, just like our own moon, which revolve around that Jupiter. So he came up with the idea that Earth is not the center, but perhaps the sun is the center, just like just like Jupiter and its moon.
Thank you.
Any more questions? I think Sunilji, thank you so much for raising the interest in astronomy in the minds of all these readers. We are really thankful for that. And thank you so much for being here today and answering our readers' questions. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Next, we have our dear grandma with all her questions, and she has something in store for us even today. Kiranji, can you please unmute yourself? Kiranji? Kiran ma'am, can you hear me?
She's trying. Just give it a minute. I think she's trying. We can see her on video. Until then, Sunil sir, I also want to thank you on behalf of all our readers and us for making it so nice for our children. Okay,
Yes.
Jalpa, I'll get in touch with Kiran ma'am. What do we have next?
Questions from our readers for the dear editor aunties.
You start that, and once Kiran ma'am is ready, we'll have her in, huh?
Okay. So,
कौन Zoom पढ़ेला काय होन
yeah, she's here.
Ma'am.
Kiran
Okay,
ma'am
now
is
it is
here.
coming.
Yes, yes, you are here.
Ma'am.
Yes, yes, Prakriti.
Yeah, we can see you
Ma'am, I
now.
wanted to ask
Okay,
a question
thank you.
from Sunil sir.
Wait, beta, I think Kiran ma'am is now ready. Ma'am, I'm going to make you spotlight, huh?
Okay, okay. Thank you so much.
And over to you.
Thank you so much for getting me to get the scope to talk to my children. So as you know, I am a teacher, math teacher. I have 36 years of teaching experience, and I love to interact with children. So I always take my favorite pastime is to play number-based logical games with my grandchildren. So I started this. So I like to interact with the children. So now I think my children will enjoy with me for the next half an hour. So get me to the screen. I'll start the fun games.
Yes.
So everybody can take parts, can participate in this game also. It's a fun game. So let's start it.
Yes.
So can I start it now?
Yes, yes, please start.
So I'll request everybody to just listen to me carefully. This is game number 1, and this is one fun game with logical reasoning, definitely. So think a number from 1 to 9. Don't disclose it to anybody else. Just a secret to you, and it is just think and do as I say. Now multiply this number with 9. Am I clear? Next, you must have got some answer after multiplying with 9. So you add the digits you get in the answer. I mean all the numbers you get in the answer. If you get one answer, 1, 2. So can you just give me share this whiteboard? Yes. So now take any number from 1 to 9 as I have started. Now then multiply that number with 9. Everybody can take part here. So after you get the answer, just add the digits. Digits, I mean, if you get an answer 1 to 5, then add all these digits, 1 plus 2 plus 5. So you get 8 here. It is not like this. So now just add the digits. So whatever number you get,
Ma'am, can you repeat after that multiplication?
okay, I'll repeat. You take one, think of one number and multiply by 9. Okay. Multiply by 9. Add the digits of the number you get. आंसर में आपको कुछ नंबर मिला होगा ना, उसको आप ऐड कर दीजिएगा. ऐड कर लिया?
Yes, ma'am.
Got it, Ashri? Very good, thank you. So you have added the numbers. Now you subtract 5 from it. I think you have done it.
Yes,
No,
ma'am.
no, don't show it to me. It is a secret with you only. It's not me to see. It is a secret with you. You have to think of the number. Again, you start it. Okay, we can start it again.
Kirana auntie, it's
Haji?
very old trick. Like if you will multiply a number with 9, then when you will add the digits, it will be 9 only. Like it's very old trick.
So okay, then if you know it, but others do not know it, let me make them aware that they do not know. So let me think of, this is the property of 9. So I am using this property of 9 to have a game. Okay. So let me do it, and then you will know the concept. Because this concept of when we multiply any number with 9, we always get something which is added to get 9. So now if you subtract 5 from it, you get the number. And now what I advise you to do, what you will do, if you get 1, then you give an alphabet to it. If you get 2, you give the alphabet B to it. If you get 3, then give the alphabet C to it. If you get 4, then you give the alphabet D. If it is 5, then you get E. Like this, you get the alphabet attached to this number. Okay. I think you didn't get it.
We understood, ma'am.
You understood now? So now you have an alphabet with you, right? Okay. Now think of one country starting with that alphabet. It is secret with you. Don't tell me, because I have to read my mind through these numbers. So think of a country using starting with this alphabet. Ashi, I think you have got it.
Got it.
So now now you take the next alphabet and think next alphabet, which the alphabet on which you thought of a city. जिस alphabet लेकर आपने city सोचे, country के नाम सोचा, उसका अगला जो alphabet है. If it is A, then you take B. If it is B, take C. So next alphabet you have to take. Okay.
Okay, आंटी जैसे कि मेरा A आया, तो A आया मेरा, तो मैं अब मैंने A से country सोच ली, अब मैं B पे जाऊंगी और उसे city सोचूंगी.
Right. That is my direction. So you now the next alphabet में आप एक animal के नाम सोचिएगा. क्या? उस alphabet में आप एक animal के नाम सोचिए, कोई भी animal उसके नाम सोचिएगा.
आप फिर से बता सकती हैं क्योंकि वो नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम.
So now I can say all of you have thought of the word. You are all thinking that an elephant is roaming in Denmark. So that is the part of my game. I think you have already. That is my magic.
मैं भी same यही सोच रहा था.
मेरी कंट्री भी डेनमार्क.
Interesting. So it is so interesting.
मेरी कंट्री थोड़ी सी अलग थी लेकिन.
My country Odisha, I mean it is a state. So I was just telling you about one country, thinking about the country. So now I can tell you, in everybody's mind the sentence is the elephant is roaming in Denmark. So that is the beauty of this question. So, and concept, what is the concept in that? The concept is whenever you multiply something with 9, always you get an answer. If you add the digits every time, you will get a 9 or multiple of 9. So that is my concept, which just I wanted to share with you. And that is a magical trick. Thank you so much to appreciate it. So I think you have enjoyed this game.
Yes.
So now,
So
now I'll go to the next one. Hello, if anybody want to tell me anything, if you want a logic. Hello. Sorry, I could not. Yes.
Ma'am, can I share a trick?
It was amazing, ma'am. It was amazing.
It is a magic trick. I'll share with you, but you have to write to me in Gmail because I'll not get enough time to do everything. I'll share the magic definitely, but you write to me in my Gmail account. I'll give you my account number.
Amazing. It was amazing. It was amazing.
Sorry,
it was
amazing. She liked it. She's saying it's amazing.
Amazing. So, thank you so much.
Magic, amazing, whatever.
Ma'am, can I share a trick?
Yes. You share the trick. I'll be very happy if you do it.
Ma'am, I knew another trick which I learned in another maths book, Murderous Math.
Okay.
It's a very nice book. So, like, I just make this table-like thing. You see?
Ma'am, after Gurmeher, can I share a trick?
Yes. You share this one. Actually, can you please tell me your name?
Gurmeher.
Gurmeher. So I'll be happy if you share the trick. You tell me what you want to explain.
Ma'am, Gurmeher is doing right now, ma'am.
Acha, you are doing
Yes.
it now. Okay,
Yes.
okay. Thank you. Okay, good.
Ma'am, now give me any 5-digit number, any
Yes.
5 different numbers. Give me one
Yes.
5-digit number.
Yes. So, so I know which trick
Yeah.
you are going to do. I just got it.
Give me any 5 numbers.
But this is very small boxes are there, so it is very
No,
difficult to
ma'am,
write
it
it
will
over
work.
there.
No, ma'am, I will write. You just give me the numbers.
Okay, you give me.
You see, I'll just type it and I will place it there.
No, no.
Give
So
me
just write
any
it here.
numbers. Ma'am, give me any numbers.
Can I give?
You tell me. It is like this.
9,
You
3, 4,
9, 3,
5.
4.
Take it. I'm sharing.
7.
I'm giving you a number.
Ma'am, someone has already given me a number.
Oh, actually, I'm not able to see it.
Yeah, I am still writing. So she has given me 9, 3, 4, 5, 7.
9, 3, 4, 5,
4,
7.
5,
Now you
7.
are you able to see it?
Yes, ma'am.
So
I am
better
able
let
to
me write it down. Now you tell me what you want.
And now I want you to write 1 to 9, all the numbers in any format, not repeating. I don't want you to repeat any numbers. 1 to 9, you write any numbers, 5 lines, and 10 you can write as 0. Above this.
Above this.
Yes.
But it's not visible, no? Actually, you're not. I'm not getting the whole thing on the screen.
Wait,
above
give
this,
me 1
above
second.
this or alongside of this?
No,
actually,
above. Wait,
but you were writing side by side.
Ma'am, could you
Okay,
just
okay.
erase everything? I don't have, I cannot do that. Just erase everything that is on the screen.
So can I continue my thing and after that we'll share this thing? Will it be okay?
I was going to say the same thing that readers will
All
have
right.
to
Yeah, sure.
So let me tell you something which I want to tell you. After that we'll share your tricks and we'll do it. We'll do the game and we'll do it. Okay. So the next thing is I'll do something. I'll teach you something. I'll teach you about magic square. You must heard of it. If you are reading the books and all the fun math books, you must have come through magic square. Let me explain what is magic square is. Magic square, it's a row of numbers. This is row of numbers. These are all row of numbers. If you add this row here, like this, you will get this sum. 3 to 5 and 6. When you add here also, you should get 6. When you add this way, also you should get 6. When you add this way, also you should get 6. If you do get like this, then that thing is called magic square. Again, let me explain what I want to tell you. It's a magic square. In magic square, wherever you are having a row of numbers, suppose there are so many type of magic square. 3 into 3, matlab 3 rows, 3 columns. Or 4 rows, 4 columns. So like this also we get the magic square. And on any horizontal way, if you add horizontally, if you add vertically, if you add diagonally, always you get the same thing. So that is the definition of magic square. Now let me give you one magic square and help me out to just fill this one. This is one square. Having 9 boxes here. So now what I will do, put some numbers here and we'll just fill it. This number is 2, then 6, this number is 5, and the sum I should get is 18. So will you help me out to just fill it? Then I'll explain you how you will prepare this magic square of your own. Since you know the sum is 18, I think it is audible. Visual also.
Ma'am,
Okay.
can we put 9 over here between 5 and 2?
5 and 2, if the sum is 7. So you cannot, if you put 9, you are not getting the sum 18. Okay.
Oh, 18.
Here 5.
Ma'am,
Because the sum is
that you have to choose
in
the
the
number.
first, ma'am, we have to put 11 over here, and ma'am,
Yes, very
between
good.
9 and
Okay.
7, we will we can put only one only. We
6 to
we have
the
to put
6
two.
to
We have
8.
to put 2. We have to put 2.
So let us start this. I'll ask you to just fill it. So here 5 and 2. So it is 5 and 2, 7. So it is 11. It is okay. You are getting 18 here. Right. Now diagonally also you are getting 2 numbers. Here is 2. Here is 6. So these two added together you get 8. So what you will be getting here? You tell me.
10.
10. Very good. Very good. Thank you so much. So you got it. You got the numbers now. So I am getting 10 here. So if I get it 10 here, and if I add this way, this is 10 and 5, 18, 15 and 3, 18. Now 3, 6, 9 and 9. Very good. Good. So you have done it very in a clear and efficient manner. So now I'll explain you how you can create the magic square of your own. So what I'm going to do, I'll give you a clue. Now I'll use the numbers 1 to 9 and create this magic square. I'll tell you the trick and you can use it and create of your own. What you do, you create a box here, one box here, one box here, and another box here. Okay. You are getting my, please don't do it because it will be clumsy and I cannot explain you. Okay. Now just listen to me. So after that, I'll tell you to do the thing. So I'll be happy if you can get it done. Very, very nice, Pratik. So let me do it now. So it is, I have to put the numbers 1 to 9. So let me put 1 here, 2 here, 3 here. Then I'll leave these boxes. This is 4, 5 and 6. This is 7, 8 and 9. So now I fill these boxes like this. This is the way how you have to fill it. Okay. Got it? Now what I'll do,
Yes,
the
ma'am.
number, you're getting it?
It's in diagonal form of it. It's a bit like a diagonal.
Yes, it's just like a pyramid form. You think 5 and 3, then 1. It's like that. So now what I'll do, I'll shift this 7 to this place and this 3 to this place. So now I'm erasing these two parts. Okay. Now I'm left with another 2 boxes and 2 empty boxes and 2 numbers. So this 9, I'll write it here. Oh, don't erase it. Please let me do it. Okay. If we erase it, then I'll not get, I cannot explain you. So it is coming to 9 will come here and this 1 will come here. Now I'll erase these two. Now you see this table. Now you add wherever you add, you are going to get 15. Now you add here 9 to 11 and 4. This is 15. Now if you add this line, 7, 5, 12, 3, 15. So this is 6, 1, 7, 8 or 7, it is 15. So if you add this way, 4, 3, 7. Again, should I repeat it from the beginning?
Yes, ma'am, because there was some network problem.
Okay, okay. Let me again erase it and do it again.
Okay, ma'am.
But don't get it overlapped. So don't do these lines. If you do these lines, I cannot explain you. Okay. This is the box having 3 lines and 3 columns. What I do, I will create one box here, one box here, one box here, and another box here. Okay, now you get it? So what I'll do now, write 1, 2, 3 diagonally. Then I'll write 4, 5, 6 here. Then 7, 8, and 9 here. So this way I fill the boxes. Okay, got it? Now I have to transpose the things. I'll take this 7 from here and put it here. I'll just take this 3 from here, I'll put it here. I'll take this 9 from here and put it here only. And take this 1 from here and put it here. So now I'll erase all the 4 boxes from here. Now you are getting the magic box where the sum of you add anywhere, any type, diagonally, vertically, horizontally, whatever you want to do, you will get the sum.
50.
So don't erase it. Now you are what sum you are getting? 9 to 11, 4, 15. So here the you hear the hamari jo sum hai, that is coming out to 15. So you can do this trick whenever you want. Suppose you want to use the numbers from 20 to 29. You can do this trick and have the magic table. It's okay. I think I got it. The concept of magic table. So okay, tell me better.
And there is even another one. If there means you can just simply put a 5 in all the boxes, then it will be also easy.
It will be easy, but the condition in magic square is we don't get repeated numbers. We have to put different numbers. So I'm just teaching you that there is no repetition as you have seen here. It is only from the you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All the numbers you are getting. There is no number is left. And all the numbers are being used and you are getting the same sum everywhere. So this type of magic square you can create at your home, and you can also make your friends be very puzzled how you are getting it. So this is my second activity I want to participate with you. The third one.
Ma'am,
okay.
Can we also do it with four and rows?
4, 4, 4. Yes, I can do it. We can do it. First, you master, you should practice this 3 into 3 1. Then I'll teach you 4 into 4 1. The next time when I'll get the opportunity. 4 into 4 1 we can get, 5 into 5 1 we can get. We can do all type of things, but they are very bit difficult. And you are now first practice this one 3 into 3. Then I'll teach you how to do the 4 into 4, 5 into 5, everything. All the tricks I'll teach you.
Ma'am, can I show my math trick, ma'am?
Can you show me?
Not now. Let's see the that I wanted to has in mind.
So then I'm coming to my activity number 3. So let me erase it. You got my point? So now I want, please don't do it better. Don't do it. Don't do it. So I cannot do it. Anirudh, please. Now you just listen to me. Now in the third activity, I have 2 objectives. I want to teach you what is called Fibonacci series. You must have heard this name, Fibonacci, but I don't know. You have not come across your classes in your study in your syllabus. So let me tell you what is Fibonacci series is. If you choose 2 numbers, if I choose any 2 numbers, then the third number will be the sum of these 2. So 5 and 3, if I add to these 2, I'll get 8. Then the next number will be the sum of these 2. So that becomes 3 and 8. 3 and 8 again together, I'll get 11. Now the next number will be created by these 2. 11 and 8, that becomes 19. Okay, you got this thing. So this is the way how we get a series, and that series is called Fibonacci series. Okay, you got it? Now the game part and the fun part. So I believe me, you can calculate the sum of some Fibonacci series, the numbers better, quicker than the calculator. So now I'll create one Fibonacci series and tell you the sum. Then I'll teach you how you get it. Let me start with 1. And the next number is 2. You tell me next number. What is the next number?
3.
Thank you very much. Very nice. Don't write it better. So it is overlapping, so you cannot get it. So what is the next number?
5.
5. Nice. Then next number?
8.
8. Very nice. The next number?
13.
13.
Very good. Next number?
21.
Next number?
34.
It's 34.
34. Next number?
55.
It is 55. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next number? You tell me the next 89. Then now I can very quickly write down what is the sum of this number. This is 231. So I think I'm quicker, as good as your calculator can do. You add all these numbers, you will get 231. So I think I've done it very quickly, as quick as your calculator does. You got it?
Yes.
Actually the trick
आप add कर लीजिएगा, you see, and now you create.
add these
So now,
two numbers, the last two numbers.
huh? What you are saying?
144.
It's okay. Achha, there is another one number is. Actually, we have to take 10 numbers. It is not visible here. So let me now it is visible.
Yes.
The 10th one is 144. 10th one, actually, I wrote it here. It is not visible. So that's why you got the confusion. Now, dekho, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All these numbers, if you add out all these numbers, but I don't have to take
We
this
have
number.
to
I'll
just
take only
add
10.
the two last numbers.
I have to only take 10 numbers. Only I'll add the 10 numbers continue. So I'm not taking this one. It is there. 144 is the next one, but I'm taking only these numbers. So you add all these numbers and you say me this. You see that the sum is 231. So let me again do it in other way. Another one. You tell me what is the two numbers I should take.
5
Then I'll
and
share that.
5 and 6.
20.
So
and
let
6.
so let me take two numbers.
5 and
Chalo,
6.
let me take two numbers like this, 2 and 3. Now you take the what is the next one?
5.
5. Next one?
8. 8.
Next one?
Ma'am, it is the same only, I think.
13.
Not same one. That one I started from 1. Okay, let us start from 2. So I've started this from 2. This is 2 and 3. This is not the same one. The one I did it before, it was 1 plus 2. So this series is different. So now the next number is 11. You tell me the next number. What is the next number?
19.
19. Then what is the next number?
30.
8 plus 5 is 13. Next number should be 13.
13.
30.
So here you are getting it wrong. Okay. So that's why you are not getting the number. So this is 8 and 5. That is 13. Now what is the next number?
21.
21. Now tell me the next number.
34.
34.
34. Then what is the next number?
55.
55.
Very nice. 55. Next one?
89.
89.
144.
144. The sum is 374. Now you add and get if you are getting it or not. As soon as we completed this series, I told you the answer. You add it and find it out. So now I'll tell you the trick how I did it. Actually, जैसे फिबोनाची सीरीज इसमें एक एक नंबर दूसरों के साथ जोड़ के आगे चला जाता है. अगर I'll यहाँ से what I did, the fourth one from the end, just I multiplied 11 with this. I got this sum. So I don't have to see all these number. If your number written correctly, so only thing what you do, just take the fourth one from the end and multiply by 11. You'll get the sum. So I think now you should, if you can start your own thing, you do it and you find it if you're getting it or not. Should I erase it?
Yes, ma'am.
And interesting fact I want to tell you or share with you. If you go to it, if you see a tree, the leaves also, they are arranged in Fibonacci series terms. This is a very interesting thing I could get from somebody else. So, so Fibonacci series is very important in its own way. So you will also come across when you grow up. Now, if you want this, continue this activity, you can write your numbers or we'll have some question sessions if you want.
Ma'am, can I show my
Ma'am,
trick, ma'am?
ma'am,
Ma'am, now can I continue the trick?
Beta, we'll not have any more maths tricks today. We'll finish the readers' questions, then come back to maths tricks. Hello?
Yes, yes,
Ah,
I'm
so
there.
we
Thank
have-
you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. And this
Ah,
last trick was actually quite amazing when you explained.
So actually, I'm very much thankful to you because I want this interaction. Actually, my favorite pastime is to play these type of games with my grandchildren. So, I'm very, very thankful, and I feel very much honored also to get this platform to show to share my tricks with my children. So,
what
happened? Thank
any
you,
query
ma'am.
of anybody they can share it to me in my Gmail account. I'll give you the Gmail account, so you can share it with the children. If they want, they can ask me any question. So now anybody who want to tell me anything can continue.
Ma'am, can I show you my trick?
Beta, like I said, we'll come back to maths tricks after the next session, which is reader questions.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, but if any, and ma'am will share her email, which we will post in the chat here. And after that, if any of you wants to get in touch with her directly, fantastic. And she anyway does the Grandma's Corner every Saturday in the paper. Are there any questions for Kiran ma'am?
Ma'am, how did you get in love with maths that much?
Actually, I always very interested to go out of box questions because it's a syllabus I am teaching for the last 36 years to all senior class children, 11, 12, 9th and 11, 10th, 11, 12, PU classes and all, everything I have done. So I thought that children only get interested if their concept is attached to some game like thing. So then only that, because maths is such a terrifying subject, everybody is very afraid of this subject. So I thought that I should have some games so that I can influence my children to get a pleasure out of it. Don't to be afraid of this. So this way I try to look for the always some books or some fun books. So actually, when other than what? Other than, I didn't get it, ma'am.
Other than maths, which is your favorite subject?
Oh, I do so many things. I do painting also. I do craft also. I do also this waste things. I utilize these waste things to get new things done. So I do so many things actually at home. So
My favorite subject is maths.
Main subject is maths, definitely. But I think maths is utilized everywhere, wherever you go in your life, into any corner of activity, wherever you go. If I want to do some drawing work also, drawing, if you don't have the idea of the measurement and a circle, triangle and everything, you cannot get it done. I also do painting also using that maths only. So I do so many things. So if you are interested, I can also share all these with you also. I can post you pictures what I've done. I make flowers. I make these bottles, plastic bottles craft. I make this waste product with this this foam and these earbuds. Everything I utilize to get new things done. Anything you
Ma'am,
want to
can you
know?
please repeat?
Which
Ma'am,
one?
can you please repeat how to find the sum in Fibonacci series?
Can I, how to get the sum? Okay, only you go fourth from the end. You create the Fibonacci series, you get 10 numbers. It's not for more than 10 numbers. Only you have to find out 10 numbers and you go to the fourth one from the back and multiply that number with 11. You will get the sum. This is the trick. So as soon as you write the numbers, complete writing the numbers, you get the answers, because multiplying by 11 is very easy. I think it's so quickly you can do it. So you can get the answer very quickly. Any more? So it is Ame Haldekar. So I'm been knowing your name so many, because so many, you always answer to my questions. I always type your name in the Grandma's Corner. Very happy to see you. Any other questions?
When did you came about this trick, about this these tricks of magic box and this other magic square and these others?
Actually, there are so many mathematicians. They write so many books. I always am interested in getting all these books. Wherever I go, I search for this type of books where I'm getting some questions out of the box. So I'm not putting one question to you. Answer me. There are 5 apples and to be distributed among 5 children. But 1 apple is in the bag. How you will do it? Got my question? Should I repeat?
Can you repeat, ma'am? Sorry, can you repeat?
Should I repeat? Again, I'm repeating. You have got 5 apples and you have to distribute apples among 5 children. Got it?
Yes.
But with the condition that 1 apple is inside the bag. How you will do it?
It's easy. I have to remove 1 apple from the bag and distribute it.
No. Tell me. Yes,
I have
yes.
to remove the
Actually,
apple from the bag and then there will be 5 apples again. So I will distribute it.
but 1 apple should be there. Everybody will get 1 apple, definitely. 5 apples among 5 children. So everybody is getting 1 apple each. But 1
Yes.
apple is to be kept in the bag. So that is my question.
Okay.
Ma'am, may I say?
Ma'am,
I'll give the last child
Yes.
apple with the bag.
Yes, very good, very nice. Bravo. Really, I'm clapping for you. So it is very nice to hear from you. This is this is definitely this is not mathematics. This is only logical application of the things you are getting. So
Ma'am,
these
sir,
type of
can you
things are
please repeat the question?
okay. I'm again repeating. You are having, suppose I'm changing the question again. You are having 6 apples. You are distributing among 6 children with the condition 1 apple is inside the bag. That is my question. And everybody will get the same thing. And apples, everybody would go definitely 6 apples among 6 children and 1 apple inside the bag. That is my question. How you will do it? Definitely you are not going to cut the apples. Apples will be full and everybody will get the same thing.
We'll be giving the 6th apple with the bag.
6 apple?
With the bag.
Yes, with 1 apple with the bag. We give 5 apples to 5 children and the last one inside the bag. So I think it is quite high time. We should end it here. So we'll continue this type of question. If you are interested, I'll definitely like to take this type of sessions. I have got so many questions.
Can we have one more question like that? Like this?
But I think time is going up. So,
We'll have, Kiran ma'am, we'll have a separate session only with you.
Yes.
For all our
I'll be
readers.
happy.
And keep reading the paper. The notification will come in the paper only. Okay?
Okay. I'll be happy to have it. Okay.
Kiran ma'am,
Thank you so much.
We'll take your email ID. One of the participants has a specific question. So we will
Yes.
connect them with you. And you said that you'll share your email ID for anyone else also who wants to get in touch with you.
Okay. So where I should give, can I tell it?
Yes, ma'am. Please tell it.
It is Kiran Bala Das, KIRAN.
Ma'am, please send it in the chat.
You give me the share screen.
Okay, ma'am. I think Krutika will write your email ID in the
Okay.
chat.
Yes. He will give
And
it. And
on
we'll send
behalf
it.
of all of us at TCP, ma'am, thank you so much. And we will we now look forward to the separate maths only session with you.
Okay. I'll be very happy for this type of sessions because I want to do this type of things with the children.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you, TCP, also for giving me this opportunity. Children post. So let's end here. Thank you so much, everybody, all the children and everybody, all the participants.
Thank you, ma'am.